Hello my friend. Today I would like to demonstrate how to make very cheap and very good shampoo that you hear is growing very fast and will be very nice. It's only two components in this shampoo. It's a baby shampoo which should be neutral for pH and senep seeds. Senep seeds have the special oil inside. You remember in Bible they say if you believe in God as a senep seeds, and they're very small ones, so you already can make everything. So senep seeds, it's have the special oil, special component that you hear will be better, more volume, and they will grow faster. Usually they are here growing about for 3 days 1 millimeter. And I was cutting my hair last December, very short, and now it's about 9 months ago it was. So it's a small hair start to grow very nice. But I do this once per week. What I do, I put these seeds in the coffee blender and make the powder. Then I take very nice powder, and it's a senep powder. Then I take 1 spoon, and it should be wooden spoon, full spoon in the jar, and I beat with a portion of shampoo, and shampoo should be enough to wash your hair. Because shampoo for growing hair is ready. See, it's a such color. So you put this in the whole volume of your hair. First you should put this a little bit water, that it should be a little bit wet, and then you put this magical shampoo, which is, it's a secret from my grandmother, and you put this for 5 minutes. In this time when you put your shampoo, you can make the mask of in your face. Last weekend I was together with Jewish people, and they told that it's a Jewish New Year, and in Jewish New Year they eat apples with honey. It's a special dish. Now it's a lot of apples. Yesterday it was apple day in Denmark, and I pick up in the high school of agriculture of Denmark a lot of apples. So what I do, I just grind 1 apple and put 1 teaspoon of honey for 1 apple. Then I apply this in my face in this 5 minutes when I do my hair. Then after 5 minutes I rinse with the water, and in water I put about 2-3 drops of apple vinegar. This is fresh apple vinegar. What I use this, it says 3 drops in the water when I rinse my hair, that the hair will be more shining, and again the structure, it will be much better. So I repeat about magical shampoo. 2 ingredients. It should be baby shampoo, which is pH neutral. It's very important to understand pH neutral, that it's not acid and it's not basical. It's very important that shampoo, it's not acid, it's a pH neutral. And you mix this shampoo with a powder. You can use, of course, powder from the shop, but I would like to make fresh powder because of a lot of oil inside. Powder of senep seeds, fresh senep seeds, and your magical shampoo is ready. Irina Bjorna tell you the small secrets for every day, very simple secrets, as my book is very simple books for easy living and nice easy people. And I hope your hair is will be growing very much, and you will just send me the letter how it's working for you. See you later, and hear from you, of course, and make like under my movie. See you later.